Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your skins, like your weapon skins on Valorant. So go and select your collection, but if you don't have it, first go to the store and purchase a Valorant weapon skin. Then you can go to collection. For instance, you have like more than one Vandal skin and you want to change that, or you want to change the color even. So select the one that you want. For instance, I want to use the Ani one. I'm just going to select the Ani Vandal, and then for instance I want to change the colors as well. So make sure you select this first, select equip skin, then you can also select the color before that and then press equip skin. It also works with like knives as well. For instance, I want to equip the Ani Katana. I'm just going to select the variant that I want, and I'm going to select equip skin. Somebody's already inviting me to it. Okay, it's gone. Great. And you can also like select your sprays here and also player cards here as well. This is the new interface and I'm not a big fan, let's just say that, but that's how you can change like weapon skins on Valorant. Some of them are unlocked because you have to use what are these called, like riot points for like opening the colors, and as well as the animations as well. I say as well a lot, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!